Okay, so this is my vanity from outside, and at my last drawer I have all of my skincare stuffs, and I have a full dedicated video on it on my YouTube, so if you want you can check. So today I'm going to show you what inside this section. This is all of my makeup, and these two section from this section pe I have all of my regular basis product, and this section pe I have all, like this section pe I have all of my jewelry, Indian jewelry. And now let me show you, like this section pe I have all of my regular skincare stuffs, and this section pe I have all of my nude lipsticks. So first I'm going to start from this section. So first this section pe I have like all of my regular using nude lipstick. This is not enough, I need space more. And this section pe I have all of my nail paint. I don't have lots of nail paints because I'm not a huge fan. So first this is like a lifesaver for me. This is Biotique makeup foundation, but this is in the shade, like this is in the form mousse, so I use it as a BB cream and I love it. So this section I have all of my nude lipsticks. So first I have this. Okay, so this is in the shade Touch of Spice, and this is one of my most favorite lipstick and I love it. So if you have seen my YouTube videos, so you know that my skincare drawer is overloaded. That's why I have to keep some of my skincare saman here. So like here I have all of my sheet masks anyway. Okay, so now next move on to this section. This is like a makeup brush holder. I purchased this from Amazon, and ऊपर भी आपने जो देखा था दो, I have purchased that from Amazon also. And this is like, it has like 3 sections, you can see that. So first this section I have all of my face brushes, and I know it's really very dirty, I have to clean it. And this section I have all of my brushes जो कि I haven't used yet, and this is like moreover useless brushes. This is my eye brushes and I completely love this, and they are also very dirty. And this section पे okay, so this section पे I have a organizer again, and this section पे I have all of my mascaras and kajal. So it will be like very लॉन्ग वीडियो अगर मैं आपको सब दिखाने जाऊँ. सो जस्ट क्विकली मैं आपको माई फेवरेट्स दिखा देती हूँ. दिस इज़ माई वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट मस्कारा. दिस इज़ मेबलिन टोटल टेम्पटेशनल मस्कारा. आई कम्प्लीटली लव दिस. माई 90% मस्काराज आर फ्रॉम मेबलिन. एक ही सिर्फ लैक्मी से है, विच इज़ दिस लैक्मी आइकॉनिक. आई थिंक सबके पास ही ये है. एंड माई मोस्ट फेवरेट न्यूड काजल इज़ this. Wait, this is no, this is not okay. So this is I think Rimmel Cosmetics. Okay, let me just find. This is soft kajal, and this is, wait, I think this is Rimmel Cosmetics if I am not wrong. So I can't find the brand name actually. So I think this is Rimmel Cosmetics. Anyways, next I have this, my second most favorite brow product. This is LA Color brow pencil. I completely love it. My first most favorite brow product is this is Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. I have 2 of this. And my most favorite lip liner is this is Miss Claire lip liner, and this is in the shade dark brown. I am not a lip liner person, so I have 2, like both are from Miss Claire. This is dark brown and this is pink. And I have lots of black kajal from Plum, Miss Claire, Nykaa, and so on, and Lakme of course. And this is my most favorite blue kajal. This is in, from Blue Heaven. You have to try this. This is so inexpensive. Okay, so these 2 are my falsies. I am not a falsies person at all. I completely love only mascara because I feel little heavy. I don't know why. So I only have these 2. One is from Drama. One is I think Drama, and one is I can't remember. Anyways, so this section I have all of my foundations and primers and stuffs. And by the way, you are noticing that this is all organized, and I love to keep everything like organized. And first, my most favorite foundation is this Maybelline Maybelline Superstay foundation, and this is in the shade I guess golden. And next, my second most favorite foundation is from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this is in the shade golden hour. And my 2 first most favorite primer is this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. You have seen me like बहुत बार मैंने इस्तेमाल किया है अपनी वीडियोस पे. This is one of the most cheapest primer. This is inside 3-in-1 primer, but this is really very good. And next I have this primer. This is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I completely love this. And This is like, this used to be one of my favorite foundation. I don't know why I have stopped using it, because I completely love Maybelline one, but this is almost over. And this is Nykaa Skin Shield foundation, one of my most favorite foundation back to days, and I have to use it because thoda sa hi bacha hai. And this is like my party wear foundation. I like save it only for parties because this is such a beautiful foundation. This is L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 hours foundation, and this is in the shade 104. And I'm like a oily skin girl, so this is like a lifesaver for me. This is of course Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 235 pure beige. And here I have a Lakme foundation, and this is Lakme Invisible Finish foundation. I think this is like one of the most first foundation I have. So now next move on to this section. This section पे I have all of my concealers. This is Wet n Wild concealer, 2 Maybelline concealer, LA Girl concealer, LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. This is Lakme rose powder. Okay, so here I have sugar contour powder, and niche I have Wet n Wild contour and highlighting powder. And this section पे I have all of my blushes, highlighter, and I am a completely blush girl. So first I have this is Biotic Mustard matte blush, and this is in the shade I guess Shimmer in Sun. This is like a sun-kissed kind of a color, and I completely love this. This is Nykaa blush, and this is in the shade I think Malibu Barbie, if I am not wrong. This is Maybelline Fit Me 2 blush. First of all, this wine, and the niche I have pink. Last but not the least, this is Wet n Wild blush. This is like a single eyeshadow. This is my first eyeshadow, by the way, which I have purchased with my own money. This is Essence Black, purely black eyeshadow, and this is such a pretty color. And here I have all of my highlighters. So first this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and okay, so this is Precious Petal. This is Maybelline Fit Me Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, I guess. This is Nykaa Shimmer Break highlighter, one of my second most favorite highlighter. First I will show you. This is Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. I completely love it. And next this section I have all of my eyeshadow palettes. So this is my first most favorite highlighter. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade I think pink. So I completely love this. You have to try this. Like, this is such a pretty color. Like, I am totally in love with it. And this section I have all of my eyeshadow palettes. I am a completely love coloring eyeshadow. So this is like my first most favorite eyeshadow palette. Like palette तो single तो वो था. This is my first ever eyeshadow palette. This is Nykaa के 23 color perfect eyeshadow palette. And next I have this is blush and highlighter palette. This is LA color blush and highlighter. This is I have purchased first. And next I have this is MUA Makeup Academy Professional. This is such a pretty eyeshadow palette, and I got this too as a gift from Hook Makeup, I guess. And next I have, let me just show you my favorite eyeshadow palette. So this is my most favorite eyeshadow palette. This is Tami X Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. If you haven't tried Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, you should, because they are like amazing. And next I have this is Biotic Diva palette. Not a huge fan, I don't know, but pigmentation isn't good enough, and I don't know, I don't like that eyeshadow palette completely. And this is my second most favorite eyeshadow palette. This is Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Red Alert. And yeah, I have lot more, and let me just show you my second most favorite eyeshadow palette, sorry, third. So this is my third most favorite eyeshadow palette. This is NK same Nykaa K, and this is Birthday Cake. Hell pigmented this palette. If you haven't tried Nykaa ka eyeshadow palette, you should. And Wet n Wild ka eyeshadow palette, like, it's a must have product. Wait, let me just show you my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I guess this one, yes, this is one, and I have one more also. I don't know where it is. Let me just find. I think this one. Yeah, this is Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild nude eyeshadow palettes are like such a beautiful palette. And here I have like liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. I have a lot more, but these are like my favorite. That's why I have shown you. बाकी जो eyeshadow palettes से like I rarely use that, that's why I'm not showing you that. And this is Body Cupid, I think shower gel. Yes, नीचे जगह नहीं था, that's why I kept it here. Completely love it. And this is micellar water from Bioderma, got as a PR, I think you guys know. And this is Garnier micellar water, completely love it. This is makeup fixer from Wet n Wild. This is like it will give you a dewy finish look. I completely love it. This is the like the first ever favorite my makeup fixer, pack makeup fixer. I think सबके पास ही ये होता है. And next move on to this section. This is last. This is completely like a what you say, this is more over like lipstick drawer. So first I have this. This is moisturizer Garnier Wrinkle Lift. I personally use it before my makeup every time as a base moisturizer. That's why I kept it here makeup drawer पे. I don't use this other than that makeup. So this is glue, eyelash glue from Miss Claire. This is waterproof. This is my beauty sponge, which is also dirty. This is MAC lipstick, and this is in the shade Meher, which is one of the most popular color. This is me. And this is my favorite nude lipstick. This is Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick, and this is in the shade, I guess, Prom Night. Let me just show you. And yes, this is in the shade Prom Night. Such a pretty color. This is like a pale nude, but when you draw with a dark chocolatey brown color, like it will instantly make your lips like beautiful. This is my second most favorite lipstick from Huda Beauty. This is in the shade, I guess this is what, let me just see, this is Spring Break, and this is moreover like a sunset orange. Let me just show you the color. Look at this. This is such a pretty color, and this is absolutely powdery matte finish. But this Huda Beauty's lipstick are like one of the most favorite bullet lipstick ever. This is Nykaa lipstick, and this is in the shade 25M. Let me just show you. This is in the shade 25M, and this is like a dark chocolatey brown color. And this is from MAC again. This is their mini collection, and this is in the shade, okay, so this is in the shade Lady Danger. This is similar to Ruby Roo, but completely, I personally love this color more than Ruby. I don't know why, but I completely love this color. This is like a blood red color. And next I have this sugar liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade 42 Toast Roast, one of my most favorite sugar liquid lipstick. And here I have all of my sugar minis of Wine and Shine, Plum, and all that. So this is Nykaa liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade 04, and this is a bright pink color. This is Nykaa lipstick again. This is the Masaba collection. This is Buzzkill. And wait, let me just show you. Okay, so this is my second most favorite lipstick. This is Huda Beauty liquid lipstick again, but this is not matte. And I have two more lip glosses. So first one is this. This is Wet n Wild lip gloss, and this is in the shade Plum. So next I have this. This is Rimmel London, and this is their lip gloss, and moreover like this same color, but this is like a pink undertone, and this is peach undertone. And next I have this lipstick. This is Nykaa liquid lipstick again. This is in the shade 04 Goat, but this is not matte. ये वाला liquid lipstick matte होता है, ये वाला नहीं होता है. And here I have L'Oreal Paris. This is in the shade 131, and this is Nykaa Wonder Puff liquid lipstick, and this is I think pink. And this is my two most favorite Lakme lipsticks. I don't know you can get this lipstick or not. I think ये production stop हो गया है. First one is this. This is in the shade Magenta Magic. This is such a pretty purple color. It looks like not purple, but this is actually a purple color. And next one is this. This is in the shade red, but starlit red, and these two are like my first ever purchased lipstick. So yeah, this is like my complete makeup drawer. Hope you have enjoyed it, and comment down below कि कौन सा favorite है आपका. Personally my favorite, oh let me just show you my favorite one. This is my most favorite thing. This is a tint from Etude House, and this is in the shade I guess peachy pink or something. This is like my go-to blush. I personally don't use like powder blush nowadays. I always use this. So yeah, this is my most if I have to choose only two products, I will choose my eyebrow product and then tint, and that's it. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed. So bye.